What do you guys think of that?
Who is that?
What is it?
The cat.
What's it doing?
Sticking his head in the toilet.
Do you think that's funny?
Yeah, whose cat is that?
It's my friend Lisa's cat. Do you think that cat's white trash?
No. Yeah. I think he was give this a little drink.
Just a little drink?
Yeah.
You think he was thirsty?
Yeah.
What do you think, Kylie?
He didn't ask anybody yet. No. But he ran in the bathroom.
What's that cat doing, Kylie?
Look at my first school paper.
Cat? Can you say white trash, Kylie?
No. Mom, look at my picture I made.
Can you say white trash?
No. White trash.
Can you tell Lisa her cat's white trash? Say, Lisa, your cat's white trash.
I thought your cat's trash.